In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix hoverboxes, step-by-step guide. We'll start inside the Wix editor. After you log in and land on your site's dashboard, click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, where all your creative tools live and where you'll add and refine your hover effect. Think of the editor as your canvas. Everything you see here reflects what visitors will experience on your published site. To insert a hoverbox, look to the left toolbar and click Add Elements, the button with a plus sign. Scroll through the menu until you find the interactive category. That's where Wix groups elements that respond to user actions. Choose Hoverbox and you'll see a panel of options appear. Next, pick a template that fits your purpose. Wix provides a range of ready-made hoverbox designs, from clean, minimal frames to themed layouts for testimonials, promotions, or featured content. Select the one that matches your brand's vibe and click it to place it on your page. You can drag it into position and resize it so it sits comfortably within your layout grid. Now customize the look. Click the hoverbox and choose the design icon, the little paintbrush. Select a frame type that complements your site. Sharp rectangles convey a modern, structured feel, while rounded corners feel sicher and more friendly. Add a subtle shadow to separate the element from the background and create depth. Keep contrast in mind so text remains easy to read against both the default and hovered states. Set what happens on hover. Open the settings panel and switch to the hover tab. Here, you decide how the box changes when someone moves their mouse over it. You might swap text colors for emphasis, reveal an image, change the background to draw attention, or replace a standard button with a stronger call to action. Aim for a change that's noticeable but not jarring, and make sure any button is clearly labeled and links to the right page. Before you publish, preview your work. Click Preview in the top right corner and move your mouse over the hover box to check that the transition feels smooth and intentional. If anything is distracting or hard to read, return to the editor to fine-tune spacing, colors, and timing. It's also a good idea to check how it behaves on different screen sizes. When you're satisfied, click Publish to